guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making Pancit Bihon from the Philippines. Well, my version. So over here we have some chopped up green onions, aka scallion. We have chopped up garlic. We have some cabbage that's chopped up as well. 2 slices of chicken breast cut up in cubes. A handful of green beans, black pepper, meat seasoning, chicken bouillon, noodles. You can actually get these noodles from an Oriental market, or what's that other thing called that you guys be ordering stuff from? Instacart, and I think Walmart might have them. Yeah, super golden Bihon cornstarch sticks. Soy sauce, also from Walmart. Paprika and garlic seasoning. Also, down here we have some chopped up carrots and onions. Half onion and 1 carrot. Alright guys, welcome to the stove. So I forgot to tell you, I'm going to put a little bit of salt in here. So just going to start with salt. About a teaspoon of salt. The meat and poultry seasoning. I don't really have a lot of this left, but I got some all-purpose seasoning that I'm going to be using. That's like pepper and black pepper and all this kind of stuff that's mixed up. Pimento is also in this. This is homemade. If you don't have any of that, you can use paprika. Garlic powder. Just pour until your ancestors tell you to stop. A little bit of black pepper. About a half a teaspoon. I'm gonna mix this up. In the meantime, I have my wok going. It's on high right now. I'm gonna turn it down. We're gonna put the chicken inside of it. A little bit of oil just to baste the pan. I like to pan fry the chicken first, the chicken breast, and then we're gonna add all our vegetables and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna let this marinate for a little bit. I'm gonna add my garlic, my green onions, my onion, and I'm going to add the chicken. And you guys can season as you go. If you like to put more seasoning on your plate, feel free to go ahead and do that. Just going to stir this up a little. I'm going to let that cook for about, I'd say, 8 minutes. You can see this is getting a little color. Over here I have the noodles being soaked for about 10 minutes in some lukewarm water. We're going to add those in after we put the veggies. So we're going to put the carrots in. I like when my carrot has a little bit of crunch, hence why I didn't put these first. Oh, look at this. I'm going to throw in the green beans. So I don't want the meat to actually cook before everything else. I want them to cook together. I'm gonna leave this in for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add our cabbage and then our noodles. We're gonna re-season, but you guys will see that as we go. Woo, look at that bad boy. All right, y'all, so this is definitely cooked how I want it. We are going to add our shredded cabbage. So you could cover this, let it produces its own water, or to speed it up, you can put a little bit of water on there. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water, okay? It's about a cup of water. I think I want to stir this down. Just get everything up in there. So you can cook this for 5 minutes, 2 minutes. It just depends, because you know you can actually eat cabbage raw. So you gotta just cook it to your liking. I like when it's a little crunchy. So I won't have it in for too long, but for now, let's just say 3 minutes and then see what it looks like, okay? The noodles. Okay, so I already pre-soaked these. Just gonna throw these in. Soy sauce. I'm just gonna put it at the side of the pan. And I match it up to how much seasoning I put in there versus how much body that this plate has or pot has. This is kind of salty, so it just depends on how much salt you can actually take. But while I mix this up, I'm gonna taste it just to see what the levels are, and then I know if I need to put more water or whatever. Just gonna spread these out. And remember, these noodles are basically pre-cooked. So essentially, you're just trying to bring everything together. Get it into the soy sauce. See that? So it's looking a little dry, but I still need to taste it before I put more. Okay. Tasted it off camera. It's a little bit on the fresh side, a little bit on the dry side. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this and also our chicken bouillon. This one right here. Sauce. Whoops. You did not see that. Okay. One of these. Awesome. So if you put this in here and it still doesn't taste how you want it to taste, you can add a little bit of accent. You can get that at Walmart. It'll bring out the flavor. or a little bit of adobo. You can't go wrong with adobo. Just stir this up, let all the seasonings come together, and this is pretty much it right now. It's looking good, it's smelling good, and I'm pretty sure what I just added will give me the flavor that I'm looking for. Yep, it's good. Not too salty, not fresh. I'm getting the crunchiness from the cabbage. The noodle isn't soggy. This is bomb right here. Pancit Bihon, y'all. That's it, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more videos like these, just let us know because we're going to keep them coming.